Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox voice chat not showing up. First, let's cover some essential initial checks. Make sure your Roblox account is at least 13 years old, as this is a strict requirement for voice chat access. Next, confirm your device's microphone is correctly connected and enabled in your system settings. Also, double-check your Roblox privacy settings to ensure voice chat is toggled on. Finally, try restarting both the Roblox application and your entire device to refresh everything. Now, let's dive deeper into your Roblox privacy settings. Open your Roblox application and head to your account settings, then click on the Privacy tab. Here, you'll find the crucial Enable Voice Chat toggle. Ensure it is switched to the On position. You might also want to adjust your communication settings to allow voice chat with friends or everyone, depending on your preference. Always remember to save any changes you make before closing the settings menu. Sometimes, the issue isn't with Roblox itself, but with your device or network. It's a good idea to update your device's audio drivers to their latest version for optimal performance. Also, verify your internet connection is stable and provides sufficient bandwidth for voice communication. If you use a VPN or proxy, try temporarily disabling it, as these can sometimes interfere with Roblox services. As a last resort for this section, consider completely reinstalling Roblox to clear any corrupted files. For more advanced troubleshooting, try clearing your Roblox application cache and temporary files. This can often resolve minor glitches. Make sure your operating system is fully updated, as outdated software can cause compatibility problems. To help pinpoint the issue, test your microphone and voice chat functionality in other applications to see if the problem is specific to Roblox. If, after all these steps, your voice chat still isn't showing up, your best course of action is to contact Roblox support directly for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.